A few years ago, Signature Plastics started selling grab bags to the general public. These grab bags aren't exactly goodie bags containing party favors or anything special like that. In fact, they contain keycaps that didn't quite pass the quality standards. These caps could either have broken stems, misaligned legends, or just something going wrong with the double shot process. They're also not necessarily all Cherry MX. This is my 4th grab bag ever, but only the first one since I started this channel. Stay tuned till after the break to hear my thoughts and opinions. To purchase one of these, you have to go to pimpmykeyboard.com. Grab bags currently retail for $50 a bag plus shipping. The shipping is advertised as a flat $17, but that's worldwide, and yeah, that's still really expensive. Even to the state of Washington, which Signature Plastics is from, it's still $17. When I bought my first grab bag, I don't remember it being this expensive. I swear the price goes up every year. So what do you get for this price? You get 3 pounds of Signature Plastic keycaps all across their different profiles from the most recent sets they have produced. If you're missing a few caps or just want one particular novelty, chances are that someone who bought a grab bag might have scored one. Make a post online and see if anyone bites. It's also quite fun to trade with others online to fill in the missing pieces, but I honestly feel it's too much of a hassle. Anyway, to be honest, a lot of these caps don't look bad at all. I'd have to really be examining them to see any of the defects. Of course, there are the more obvious ones. Like, this one isn't even a keycap. Don't expect to score a complete set from one grab bag. Sure, some people may post finding an entire carbon set, but those people are really lucky and the chances of that happening are really small. Anyway, it took me an hour and a half to sort through all of these. Check out what I found. I got a large number of SA caps, an almost equally large number of DSA caps, and a few DCS, G20, and randoms here and there. The sets that I could easily identify were SA Carbon, DSA Hana, and DSA Royal Navy. Unfortunately for me, none of these actually came close to a full set, but I'm really not surprised. I got quite a few novelties from them though, so I'm pretty happy with that. Out of the entire grab bag, I think my favorite cap is this. Some of you may know that I love cats, so this is perfect for me. Most of the excitement in a grab bag is opening it up, sorting through it, and just not knowing what you're going to get. However, at that price point, each bag that you purchase just becomes less and less appealing, especially since prices are going up. Who knows, if you do find some novelties, you might be able to flip it on Mech Market. If you've never bought a grab bag before, definitely give it a shot. It's pretty fun. For those of you out there who have bought grab bags and do have a lot of spare keycaps, consider donating them to a nonprofit. I am part of ckeys.org, a local nonprofit based here in Seattle, Washington. We currently teach a soldering workshop utilizing the Obelisk MacroPad and are in constant need of keycaps. We also help organize the Seattle Mechanical Keyboard Meetups. I've provided contact information down in the description below, and if you're interested in donating, please hit us up. Anyway, thanks again for watching this video. If you did buy a grab bag and you found something cool, let me know about it. Put it down in the comments down below, maybe even add a photo. I'll catch you all in the next video. Goodbye now.